Okay, we have made it downtown. We're at the Old Exchange and Provost Dungeon. This is the building here, but we're gonna go find get a little snack. Augustine and Vivia are reading the signs. It's talking about slave auctions. This is, I just had waterfall right in my face. You see the buildings. So much history here in Charleston. I have a fear I'm not going to be able to like really see as much as I want to. Check out the streets. And I can't remember what they said the streets are lined with or made of. Most people think it's cobblestone, but I think I was reading that it's not cobblestone. I need to get my facts together. We parked behind the building. There's my dad. He's doing the meter. Yeah. 16. So I don't know where we're gonna get something to eat. We're just gonna walk downtown and see what's up. Look at the palm trees, y'all. Alora loves palm trees. I do too, but see, I think I'm pointing properly over there. Let's take a walk. Everything good, Dad? Alright, we're gonna walk into the Charleston Tourist Emporium and Cafe for that snack I told you about. They have pastries, drinks, souvenirs, carriage rides, ghost tours. And sit inside and eat. Let's see what they have. Oh, it looks delicious. Hi! Hi! Looks so good. Okay, we have a strawberry, what is this, a strawberry shortcake? Mm-hmm. Okay, and Vivi has a lemon coconut cream square, or coconut square. Daddy, what kind of sandwich did you get?
Actually, I got a turkey and cheese croissant.
Ooh, turkey and cheese croissant. Is it good? Nice. So, I've been nibbling. This is where we're going, guys. Come on, my love. My little love. Up the stairs. Alright. Yeah, Exchange and Provost Dungeon. Yep. Right here we have to pay, I guess. Pay. Okay, we're inside.
But that would self.
Are y'all actually reading the history, or are you just looking?
We're just looking.
Pretty cool. So much here to read about. So, I think you can sit on the hood. That's why they're there. American slaves were conservative. And here are the shackles. Horrible crap. What time is it, Laura? You got the phone in your hand?
3:15.
Okay, we have 10 minutes.
So we'd like to
We'll head down in 10 minutes.
okay, can I go look at the shop?
In the shop? How about we look? Alright, another gift shop. We're going on a tour of the dungeon in a minute. Well, about 10 minutes. This is the gift shop. Typical stuff. Downstairs. To the Provost dungeon. Watch your step. Alright, we're downstairs in the dungeon area. It's pretty neat.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the Exchange Building. My name is Gene, and I'll be your tour guide and your host.
This is the 3rd floor. We've made our way up to the last one. The elevator. Where's your elevator?
Silver money, a lot of people would carry silver money because silver money was good everywhere.
Right.
So this was $1, 50
cents.
cents, a quarter, and this was 2 bits.
Wow. Where did you get that? Remember in the little bag? You got the. It was Williamsburg? Yeah, okay. Alright, y'all, an official room tour because we haven't given you one. Yeah, let's turn the light on. So, we've already been here for, you know, last night was our first night. That's the closet, remember? It's just a simple little room. Here's our little microwave, and we have a fridge.
A really tiny kitchen area.
Yeah.
This is the mid-fridge right
Our
there.
Keurig for my coffee. And we have Vivia organized everything, and she's got our snacks.
There.
There's some snacks and bars there, chips. We have stuff from, what did we eat yesterday? We ate Italian food last night, right?
Yeah, last night we
Last night we had Italian, like authentic Italian. I think it was called Bocca's. Was it Bocca's?
the soy.
Yeah, yeah.
Bocca's restaurant?
It was Baco.
Baca?
Baco.
Baca.
I don't know.
B-A-C-A.
B-A-C-C-O. I can never remember. That's why I have kids. They can remember for me. Young brains. It's called Bacos.
Usually meat.
Yes. The food was really good. The only thing we have left over is bread. We have their homemade bread. Vivia had something telefono, right?
Yes, it's here.
And Grandma had gnocchi. Alora, you had what?
It was like the mahi mahi.
Yep, you had mahi mahi. I had polenta with meatballs. And anyway, we'll go back into food. Let's finish the room tour. Open the bathroom, please. Bathroom
Kind
door.
of messy.
That's okay.
I got to do it.
We've been here.
I organized it at 7 this morning.
I know you were in here. So it's the bathroom. Nothing fancy, but
Yeah, it's cute.
it's spacious for us.
Then you have the shower.
Yep.
Nothing special. Just a shower.
Yeah. And well, I never really see too many special showers.
That's your Sims, so.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. All right, my bed and everything was all nice and made up, of course, when we got here. And the TV, Jurassic Park, is on right now. We were watching that for a little bit. The desk area to edit videos, but right now it's holding our pizza. This is what we had tonight.
So what are you gonna do with it?
This was Sabatino. Is this Sabatino?
Sabatino's pizza.
Okay, Sabatino's pizza. And it has bacon,
Buttermilk ranch.
Chicken. Seasoned chicken, and mozzarella cheese. It's really good. We have a little garden salad. We got the Italian dressing. This is the view. We're not on the beach or anything. We're in Charleston, but we're on the outskirts of Charleston in, where are we, Vivi?
Hilton Garden Inn.
Remember the name of, this is Hilton Garden Inn Hotel, but what's
We're
the,
in Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant, yeah.
I said Peace Mountain. I was close. I was close.
Don't feel bad. I was thinking when I first started talking, I was thinking like west something. I don't know.
I thought we were in like Peace Mountain. I was like,
But yeah, I mean it's peaceful.
look right up there. Right up there. It's so pretty. Like,
Oh yeah, that's the bridge right there, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yep, that's that pretty bridge that we kept showing. You can see the little
Can we move to
arches.
Charleston? I don't want to. Like, we can just bring my friends. And to my friends that watch the channel, you know who you are. Hey, how you doing?
Oh, so we have to come down here. We have to move and bring friends? Who's
Yeah.
paying for all this?
You. I don't have money. Well, yeah.
Don't believe her friends who watch the channel. That's not happening. But yeah, so it's been a great day. The pool time was awesome. They only put their feet in tonight, but in the morning.
I put my legs in, kind of.
Oh yeah, didn't you get your little butt
They
wet?
but there were like dead bugs in the pool, and I just.
So what are you gonna do tomorrow?
I don't know. But it's like, but I probably should just get in the pool because we get in the ocean.
Exactly.
Fish pee in the ocean. There are dead bugs in the ocean. Why not?
And you can't have a pool outside unless it's covered up
Yeah.
without bugs. It's gonna happen.
It's just
Me personally, I mean, I think they try to really keep it clean. Now, if we go out tomorrow to get in the pool and it's like a lot of bugs on top, I'm not getting in.
Yeah, we'll just kind of like relax out there. But
I think- Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna try. We wanted to go tonight because they have a fire pit, and so maybe we'll be able to get the seating where the fire pit is and just kind of hang out because it was nice hanging out. The temperature was so good. You want to sit up here, baby? Okay. Yeah, you need to take those shorts off after I turn this off.
Why hasn't she moved yet? She's just sitting
I don't know. We're rambling. We're just going to get cleaned up for the night. I'm probably going to edit video for our first day. It's been a long day, and we have 2 more full days here. We have Sunday, Monday, and then we leave on Tuesday. Tomorrow is all things water day. We're going back to the pool. We're going to the beach. We're going to find the famous pineapple fountain.
And guess what?
What, baby?
I get to wear my swimsuit top as a shirt while we're at the beach. I've always wanted to do that because it's really cute. I've always wanted to do that because it's really cute.
The simple things, my kids are pleased by the simplest things.
Have done that, but I haven't been a part of
She's
those
saying that
people.
she hasn't done it yet. She's never done, but you've also never asked to do it.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. Oh.
Alrighty, so join us tomorrow. Come, Viv. Come behind. Get on this side. Can you see? See, don't get all the light off me. I'm dark. I need light, y'all.
Sorry.
But Yeah. See how you take the light away? All right. We love you guys. Thanks for
you,
joining us.
bye.
And, you know, see us tomorrow. Go with us tomorrow and finish exploring Charleston. Peace.
Bye.
That was my ear.
I'm sorry. Bye.
Bye.